Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss 50 important questions which are from chapter 1, Introduction to Computer Application. These questions are very important for you for preparation final exam and mid exam as well as for exit exam about fundamental computer science questions. Let's see each question one by one. The first question says, which generation of computer is characterized by the use of vacuum tubes? The use of vacuum tube. A, first generation. B, second generation. C, third generation. D, fourth generation. Which generation technology is a vacuum tube? Vacuum tube is first generation computer technology. There is no CPU in the first generation. Instead, there were the vacuum tubes. The second question says, during which generation did a computer become more compact and energy efficient due to the use of integrated circuits? A, first generation. B, second generation. C, third generation. D, fourth generation. The technology which is invented in the integrated or IC integrated circuit is in the third generation. So the correct answer is C, third generation. Question number 3. What technology is primarily associated with second generation of computers? In the second generation computer, what are the technologies? A, transistor. B, integrated circuit. C, microprocessor. D, quantum computing. Transistor in the second generation. And integrated circuit for third generation technology, microprocessor fourth generation, and quantum computing it related to fifth generation computer. So the correct answer is A, transistor. Question number 4. Which generation of computer introduced microprocessor, leading to the development of personal computers? A, first generation. B, second generation. C, third generation. D, fourth generation. As you know, in the fourth generation, there is the introduction of personal computers due to microprocessor. So the correct answer is D. Question number 5. Which of the following is not characteristics of fifth generation computers? The not characteristics of fifth generation. A, artificial intelligence. B, quantum computing. C, vacuum tube. D, natural language processing. The correct answer is C, vacuum tube. This is first generation technology. Natural languages is related to fifth generation. The language fifth generation understand about natural language. The other is the technology which is related to the fifth generation. So C is the correct answer. Question number 6. What is notable feature of the fourth generation of computers? A, use of punch card. B, the ability to run multiple applications simultaneously. C, use of magnetic tape. D, use of transistors. For the fourth generation of computers, the correct answer is B, the ability to run multiple applications simultaneously due to parallel processors. Question number 7. Which generation of computer focus on advanced technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning? A, first generation. B, second generation. C, third generation. D, fifth generation. About artificial intelligence and machine learning is in the fifth generation. The correct answer is D. Question number 8. In the first generation of computer, which device is used as a primary storage device? A. Vacuum tube. B. Punch card. C. Magnetic drum. D. Transistors. Vacuum tube, it is used as a program controller. Punch card used as an input device. The magnetic drum, it used as in the first generation as a primary storage device. The transistor is the second generation technology. So the correct answer is C. Magnetic drum. Question number 9. Which generation of computer have smallest storage capacity? A. First generation. B. Second generation. C. Third generation. D. Fifth generation. The correct answer is A. First generation have smallest capacity, the slowest, the largest, and cost ineffective than the other generation. So the correct answer is first generation. Question number 10. What characteristics of computer allow them to perform repetitive tasks without fatigue or without burden? A. Accuracy. B. Versatility. C. Reliability. D. Delicacy. The characteristics which refers to the repetitive task without fatigue indicates D. Delicacy. Question number 11. Which of the following best describe the versatility of the computers? A. They can only perform one type of task. B. They can perform variety of tasks based on user need. C. They require human intervention for every function. D. They are limited to gaming applications. The correct answer is versatility refers to the characteristics of the computer, which is in versatility characteristics refers to they can perform large or different or various types of tasks based as a user needs. The correct answer is B. Question number 12. Which of the following is a primary characteristics of computers? A. Speed. B. Emotion. C. Creativity. D. Randomness. From the list of choices, speed is characteristics of the computer. The other is not a characteristics of the computer. So the correct answer is A. Question number 13. What does automation in computer primarily refers to? A. The ability to perform tasks manually. B. The capability of the computer to execute tasks without human intervention. C. The process of storing data. D. The speed of processing information. The correct answer is B. Automation refers to the capability of computers to execute tasks without human intervention. Question number 14. Which type of computer is known for handling large volume of data and is used primarily by large organizations? A. Laptop. B. Mainframe computer. C. Tablet. D. Embedded computer. The correct answer is B. Mainframe computers are the handling large volume of data in large organizations. So the correct answer is B. Like in the telecom sector, in the bank, insurance company, and so they can use it, the mainframe computers for processing huge amount of data. So the correct answer is mainframe computer. Question number 15 or the last question. Which of the following order of the computer in increasing order of size? Mainframe, super, mini, microcomputer, super, mainframe, mini, and microcomputer. C. Micro, mini, mainframe, and super. D. Mini, micro, mainframe, super. Increasing order of size, capacity, performance, storage. So the correct answer is C. Micro, mini, mainframe, and supercomputer is the correct order of the type of computers based on the size. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and bye. See you for the next video.